it actually isn't. Like, it's pretty warm. It's kind of funny. Oh, and you can feel it too.
It's like a kid's game. It's just something you do when you're a kid for some fun.
Here comes So now it looks like we're meeting another bamboo train on the way, and the process is one of them has to get off and take their train off and literally disassemble it to let the other one by. So I'm not quite sure how this is going to go down.
Is it us or them?
Is it going to be us or them?
Oh man. Us?
Looks like it's going to be us.
So it's going to be us. They've got to disassemble it, take it off the track, let the other people go through, and we'll get back on. I hope there's no snakes around here. Oops.
Hello.
We're making them work harder.
You do some lifting, Di?
Yeah, I'm going to help.
You're going to look like you're helping.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
And we're off again.
No snake bites, I'm glad to
Report.